I just don't feel like I am ready to make that commitment yet, if that makes sense. That would be overlapping with my other relationships, sir.
That's okay. They don't need to know that.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me. Today is a Tuesday, and it's gonna be a self-care day and a filming day where we kind of just catch up on some things that we need to do. But I've actually attempted to film this video a couple of times now, and every single time I've filmed it, it has fallen on a day where something just absolutely catastrophic and horrible happens, and then I never end up being able to finish the vlog. And part of me was like, oh, maybe I'll just piece together, you know, the good parts of the vlog and see if I can make it into a video. But I mean, those are just such bad days that I don't even want to look at that footage. Yeah, I mean, I think I just want to talk about like some honest feelings and how I've been feeling about certain things. I feel like every couple months I go through this, I just feel like as a person, I am not doing enough, I'm not giving enough, and part of that is constraints of the pandemic and not being able to be as creative as I normally am, being able to see people, being able to collaborate on, you know, content and things like that. In a little bit of a rut. I think it's especially hard like when we're stuck at home and we're consuming a lot of social media and seeing people online who seem to be doing like really exciting or really big things. You know, I have a lot of friends from school or from my internet friends who are now going back to school for MP, for advanced degrees, and I just don't feel like I am ready to make that commitment yet, if that makes sense. Like when you're in school, you do your homework, you do your assignments, and you know, you don't really have to worry about other things. Real life adulting is not like that at all. So when I first got out of school, I just wanted to be back in school because work was hard. It was hard being a new grad. People stepped all over you and people are mean. Once I finally started to get the hang of things, I realized that I'm not ready to learn. I'm not ready to absorb. Like I really want to learn and I want this information, and it is an action that would make me happy, where opposed to it's an action that I feel like everyone else is taking, so I also need to be taking it so that I don't feel like I am left out or behind. And so I just really want to make sure that my motivation is correct. It's funny because dating Kevin, I feel like Kevin, I mean, we're only a couple years apart, but sometimes I really do feel like an actual baby, which is interesting because I think personality-wise, he's more mature, but in terms of like career progression and that kind of stuff, I'm more mature because I'm farther out than he is. But just looking at Kev's personality and how he handles stressors, how he handles, you know, things when they don't go the way that he wants to, I see him handle it so well that I see that I have a ton of room for improvement. Okay, I'm about to run out for my appointment, but I'm actually wearing like a decently okay looking outfit today. So I thought I'd show you guys. And then of course we have our AF1s on because they are the only shoes that I wear anymore. I'm not gonna wear makeup because I'm gonna wear a mask, so no one's gonna know anyways. What's up? I am back. I just put on a tiny touch of makeup so that I look decent for the rest of the vlog. I actually went and got some Chick-fil-A and was gonna vlog that, but ended up eating all of it in the car before I even got home, so that's kind of in the mood for 2020 anyways. I need to actually call and do a little business meeting right now, so I'm gonna do that.
Hi.
Hi. I know that I have not shared with you guys very much about how work has been, etc. And so I just wanted to hop on here and give you guys a little bit of an update. I asked you guys on Instagram to ask me questions about working during the pandemic, and so I'm gonna be answering some of that for you guys today. Do you have to wear a mask 24/7 when you are at work? Yes and no. And so what happens at work is every day we get distributed one mask and one N95, and I wear the mask in the very beginning of the day before I start to see patients and interact with people. I wear just my simple face mask, and then I put my N95 on as soon as I see my first patient, and then that mask stays on until my lunch break if I get one, during which I will take it off, put on the simple face mask, and then go to eat lunch, and then I will pop my N95 back on until the end of the day. And so, I mean, pretty much the standard is that you have to have your mask on at all times. Are you afraid of getting COVID-19? I think in the beginning I was a lot more scared than I am now. Unfortunately, I do think we are all kind of just getting tired of it and less thinking about the consequences less and less and less. It's really important for us to all remember that the pandemic is very much still going on, and so making sure that if you do hang out with people, you are limiting your gathering to less than 5 people, that you're staying 6 feet apart, have a mask on, etc. Of course I am scared of getting it. I don't want to have it, and the people who I know who have COVID-19 say that it's the sickest that they've ever been in their entire lives. Do you actually like your job? Yes, I really do like my job, especially the job that I have right now. If I were to be completely honest, there were some nursing jobs that I felt like definitely were not for me, and I was really unhappy. I feel like I really am making an impact where I work now, and I think that's just a testament to never settle. If you feel like something is not quite right or that there is something that could be better, never settle. Just keep looking for the perfect job. Obviously continue to work until you find that perfect thing that, you know, you feel like might be your niche. How do you feel like the pandemic is affecting the education system? There are some really heartbreaking things going on right now. I have friends or friends' kids who are, you know, starting their first day of college online, starting their first day of high school online, and these are such big milestones that are now being done over Zoom, and obviously the experience is a little bit different. I think post-pandemic there is going to be a lot of things for us to figure out, both in and out of the education system, and kind of adjusting to our new normal. I think one of the best things about all of this is that we are making things more accessible, making resources more accessible online. So whether it's getting your education or getting a doctor's appointment and doing a telemedicine visit, there is so much change happening with technology right now to help support your learning and support your well-being. That's why I'm super excited to be partnering with Wiley and degreesonline.com to tell you about a guide that they came out with. It's actually a guide to online bachelor's degrees post-pandemic. This is a completely free guide that you can find at degreesonline.com, and it has so many incredible resources. It talks a lot about how the post-pandemic education system is going to look, and it dispels a lot of the myths versus facts about online education and some of the kind of hesitations that you might have. It covers some information about online versus traditional education. It has info for people who are considering a gap year. There's also a very big difference between an online degree that is designed and made to be online versus what is happening right now to a lot of institutions where it's emergency virtual instruction. At some point I would like to go back to school, and I'm considering going back to school, and a lot of the FNP programs are primarily online, and I think it offers so much flexibility. If you check out that guide on degreesonline.com, it will give you a ton more background about online programs and why it actually has so many benefits and could be the right fit for you. Don't forget to check out that guide. It's going to be linked down below. Have you guys had any issues with not having enough PPE? I would say in the beginning there was a little bit of some issues with supplies, and then it got a lot better kind of in the middle, and then now within the last month again we are having just a little bit of shortages of different things, like, you know, specific mask sizes, specific glove sizes, and things like that. And so it is making me a little bit nervous, because I do think in the winter time all the cases will be on an upward trajectory. You know, every week we have to request the number of N95s that we need. We have to request the number of boxes of gloves we need, and so it's still very much controlled. It's not the best circumstance, but I definitely have it a lot better than some other places do. Okay, I just filmed and posted some TikToks. Now I am in this big sweater because I am going to take the dog out. Ooh, we're very crooked. Very crooked. I'll be right back. This is such a nice sweater. It's huge and super comfy. So I'm gonna go walk the doggo. Be right back. Yes?
Hey there.
I'm just vlogging.
Hey there.
Do you want to unbox some stuff? There's 4 packages for you to open.
Really?
Yeah.
You know that's my favorite. Why are they all Amazon packages?
I'll usually leave all the packages for Kevin to open because
Yay.
he likes opening packages and unboxing stuff. I also got Kevin Chick-fil-A.
That's
so
the best. What did you get for lunch?
Chick-fil-A. So I got you some too, because I figured you would want some. More footage of Kevin stripping always. Whoa, why is it so zoomed in? Kev is showered and changed. Did you miss me?
So I spent all of today in the OR, basically. We saved many lives, many appendages. And so I'm nearing the middle to the end of this rotation. So I've been on it for like 3 weeks now. So I'm finally kind of getting the hang of it. Our service is pretty low census right now, so it's like a little bit more relaxed, but we still have a lot of OR cases that we have to get to. Today there's a lot of emergencies that we had to deal with. Currently on an off-service rotation, which means it's not the field I'm going to go into. You just rotate through a lot of stuff. Some of it like isn't like completely relevant to what you're going to end up doing.
Kevin's gonna have a really awesome
Thanksgiving and
Christmas because he's on ICU and ED, and he's obviously not an ED or ICU resident, and so they usually prioritize their own residents and give them
the schedule. Yes, that's
the schedule
actually
that
how it
they
works.
want.
Yep.
And so Kevin's probably going to be on for every holiday.
It'd be practical if I can get like a couple days in a row before that off, and then call that our Thanksgiving. That would be fine too. It's like, I mean, it doesn't have to be that week, right? Because it's hard for us to see family anyways.
Well, your schedule sucks. Like, we've already seen it.
Yeah.
Wait, we both get really tired and sick of things like really easily. Like, if we have too much, we're like,
Screw it.
We don't want it anymore.
Yes.
Are we like that with our relationships too?
Clearly.
Ooh, tea. Hey, I'm about to be your longest relationship.
You mean like 6 years?
What?
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 Because we've been dating for like 6 years, right?
No. That would be overlapping with my other relationships, sir.
That's okay. They don't need to know that. We're just spreading false truths here.
One of these is my tampons, just so you know.
Vegetable steamer.
Oh, I was gonna make steamed egg.
Oh.
Like Japanese steamed egg. I saw that one TikTok,
Oh, yeah.
and I was like, I have to do it.
You use this one? The bowl is so tiny.
No, it expands. You need to calm down. No, you need to calm down. It expands.
I can put a bowl right there. Oh, I guess okay.
Oh, this is my
Skincare.
fancy.
UV broad spectrum.
This is my most highly recommended sunscreen. If you don't already wear sunscreen, you need to because skin cancer. This Elta MD one is a...
Am I supposed to be the one doing the unboxing or?
Okay, you can unbox it.
Let me tell you about this SPF 46. I don't know why, not 50, not 45, but not 47, but 46. Let me guess on how much all of these things cost.
I have no idea.
This, I'm gonna guess like what, $12?
It was $9.59.
Oh, that's pretty close. This one I have no idea. I'm gonna guess you said it was expensive, right? $24.95.
$38.
What?
Okay.
37 ounces?
Yeah, but it's like really good for you.
This is something I wanted.
Okay, should I guess how much it is?
Yeah. You want to guess what this is first?
Oh my god, this looks so nerdy. What is this? Things for your ears.
Yeah.
Why? Are your glasses falling off?
Still, sometimes, yeah. I'm trying it out. Basically, when I'm in the OR or I can't touch my face.
You would think with such a big nose you wouldn't have this problem.
But it's the angle of the nose. It's still slippery.
Yeah, it's the Asian angle. This is $4.99.
I think it was like $4.95.
Yeah, it gives off $4.99 vibes.
Are you telling me this is all we're unboxing?
Yeah.
This is so lame. Ta-da!
Okay, wait. Is it not that sketchy?
Warehouse deals? Why is it? It's like someone used it before?
Oh my god, that's what I'm trying to explain. So...
Wait, it's not new?
No.
It's inspected warehouse.
No, can you listen to my story?
There's some refurbished tampons?
Can you please listen to my story? So, on Amazon, I think they were having a sale, so tampons were $4, but the open box ones were $2, like half price. So it was like, what do you mean open box? Like, are the tampons used? Like, I'm pretty sure it's just the packaging that's damaged.
It looks fine.
Like, I don't think there's anything wrong with it. Like, it's still sealed, so... I mean, I'm totally fine with a damaged box.
I mean, there's like packaging inside the packaging.
Yeah, so I'm happy with like 50% off. Like, I would do this again, but it was a little bit sketchy.
Amazon warehouse deals inspected. Thanks for watching and tuning in.
Also, we're about to tell the insane, sketchy AF story of how we met. And then we'll do the relationship Q&A. Anyways, that's the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it so much. And don't forget that you're a 10 out of 10. Don't let anyone ever make you feel otherwise. And we'll see you guys next week. Bye!